Hey, Hevel, do you want to be friends again? Are you gonna reform? Maybe I am. Huh. Yes, Valiant, I am gonna be your friend again. Oh, really? Yeah. Hi. After all, we both have descendants. One, two, and three. And we both miss Cameron Boys. And we both watch like Twilight. Team Jacob and Team Jacob. You still remember that I'm Team Jacob? Yes, and you still remember that I'm a part of Team Jacob? Yep. And I still remember your favorite decon, classic Disney Channel decon. What is it? High School, the High School Musical movies. Oh, really? Yeah, because you like Troy Bolton. Yeah, because you love Troy Bolton. So let's not tell our teams. Okay, we won't tell our teams about our friendship. Yeah. Secrets. Your secret's safe with me. And your secret's safe with me, Valian. Valian, what are you doing? Hell. Well, I couldn't miss out on that moment. What moment? Buying you a lucky lock. Buying you a lucky lock. Please don't tell anybody I'm doing this. I won stuff for you. This pink bracelet and this ball. Oh, Valian, you're a good friend. I am, aren't I? What? Yeah. Nothing.
Acting.
Nothing.
You don't have any more coins, right?
Oh, God, my team! I gotta go! Oh, Valian, you're the best! Spending your bonus tickets on me. Yeah, I am the best, aren't I? Especially at Scar. Wow, we got an arcade to play sometime. We're talking about tomorrow. Flip today for festivals. Oh, yeah. Did I just see Valian? No, it was someone else. Your dog almost caught me, Hevel. Oh, she did, huh? Yep. First is finishing up the KFC cake. Oh yeah, and oh yeah. Did he tell the flying crew? No. And did you tell your team? No, I didn't tell my team. Oh, mine is Letty, Valian. Oh, and mine is about Letty right now too.
This is awkward, but you know what's not awkward? Gary's 4-fingered gloves for all you nearsighted lovers.
Oh, hey, this is me, huh? Yeah.
Anyway, I know what's intelligence. A group of people with genius IQs who do not wish to associate with numbskulls.
Oh, then I agree to help, huh? I agree to help, huh? Yep, I am going to help. What is it?
Yeah, you're gonna fit right in.
On it, but you'll... Wow. They all secretly friends. And we're gonna find those Cupid's boxes of what? My little pony. from the My Little Pony Princess Basic franchise? Yes, that one. Oh, they all secretly friends. Yep. Are we still on full shopping at the Disney store? Yeah, well, we're still on for that. Jonas Brothers, huh? Yep, these are the Jonas Brothers. Who was your favorite one growing up? Joe Jonas. Really? Yep. That's the way we roll, right? Right. Oh, yum, yum. And vanilla ice cream, yum, yum. They used to, I just opened with whipped cream, but this was...
There's a little otter over there. You have these otters. I swear you buy it every time, and then you act surprised.
Bye, Wendigo. Bye, Wendigo.
Bye, Rudiger.
No. This is so cute. Hey, Havel. What? Are you ready for breakfast? Yep. Oh, man. There's something new. We gotta try. Villian. Huh? Cassandra. What are you doing here? I thought we were meeting up tonight. Well, change of plans. Really? Yes, since I have free time now. Really? Hey, hello, I'm gonna see you later. This is not good. What is that? Nothing. I just wanted to see you again. So I won't see you all day tomorrow. So, we're still friends, right? Wait, we're still friends, Valian. Do you know that Cassandra's acting suspicious right now? Yeah, I know it's Cassandra's acting suspicious. She probably knows. Yes, he probably knows. Valian. Could you take this? The Dean Slivlin? So I could. But I have to count it up. Oh. We got $19 already. So let's get started. Okay, dollars go inside this bag and pennies go inside random bags. Okay. Yep. We are picking up Hevel's new puppy today. Yep. And unfortunately, it's pretty far away. Yep. But just imagine that cuteness. Yeah, we are listening to Lethal Robinson right now. And this level, are you gonna help me at the yard sale tomorrow? Yep. And it's a bake sale combo. Okay. Can I put you down for brownies? Yeah, I could. Now let's go ask Goodrick Solly. And did we agree about a good cause yet? Sylvan with cancel. Sylvan with cancel, huh? What about I'm voting for Sylvan at the hospital? That's a good one too. Okay, Sylvan at the hospital. Oh, that's a good cause. But is it for Pony Day at Dollar Tree? Oh yeah, it is. And now for some fun. What? Oh, Hellion. Oh, jeez. What a day. Yeah, what a day. Ugh. You could tell me that again. Oh, thank you for keeping your promise, Evelyn. You're welcome. Unlike Rapunzel did. Oh yeah, unlike Rapunzel, she kept her promise. She didn't keep her promise.